Hello and welcome. I'm Adam, and this is the complete guide to LeanProjax, a workspace where process improvement actually gets done. Maybe you're a Six Sigma belt, maybe you're a student, an analyst, or simply the person on your team who keeps saying, this could work better. This course is for you. We'll use simple language, real examples, and we'll go step by step. In this first lesson, we create your account, from the landing page all the way to your own workspace. Let's get started. This is LeanProjax.com. The headline asks a fair question. Where does your Lean Six Sigma project live? For most teams, the honest answer is scattered across spreadsheets. Scroll down, and here's the product itself, a full workspace, right in the browser. Keep scrolling, and this is worth bookmarking, a free video academy where complete projects are taught end to end. Now, back to the top. Let's create an account. I'll click Get Started. The first choice is the plan. Solo is already selected. One practitioner, unlimited projects, all 34 tools, and PDF reports. Team and firm are for groups, and they are invitation only. You request access, and the team onboards you by hand. Everything is free during the pilot, so Solo is our door today. Below that, you can sign up with Google or with Apple. One click, done. We'll go the email route, so you can see every step. First name, last name, the email address, my country, and a password. Watch the meter under the field. I'll start typing. Too short, it says, and the checklist tells me exactly what is missing. A few more characters, and there. Strong, and every line is green. That's the whole form. Now, create my workspace. And LeanProjax asks us to check our inbox. A verification link is on its way. Here's what the link in your email does. It brings you right back with this green confirmation. Your email is verified. Now we sign in. Email, password. And sign in. Watch the screen. We're heading into the workspace for the very first time. And this is the welcome. LeanProjax is in an active pilot, and the team is honest about it. If you hit a rough edge, you open a support ticket, and they jump on it. Below that, a quick start path for your first assignment. I'll click Got It. A short tour takes over. Step 1. Assignments. This is where your projects will live. Step 2. The template. You can download an Excel starter, fill it in, and the platform builds the assignment for you. We'll do exactly that later in the course. And Step 3. Help. A support ticket is always one click away. Done. And here it is, your workspace, empty, calm, and ready for its first project. That's Lesson 1. Account created, verified, and your workspace open. In the next lesson, we look at every way to sign in, including passwordless email links. And we'll switch on two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. See you there.